Artificial intelligence has evolved at an astounding pace. Over the past decade, we have witnessed its transformation from a futuristic concept to a tangible reality. AI is no longer confined to science fiction. It is embedded in our daily lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms, AI is steadily reshaping our interactions with technology. Its impact is particularly profound in the field of education, where it holds the potential to revolutionize traditional learning models and enhance educational outcomes for students worldwide. AI's rapid evolution can be attributed to several factors. Firstly, the exponential growth in computing power has enabled us to process vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently. This data is the lifeblood of AI, fueling its ability to learn and improve over time. Secondly, advancements in machine learning algorithms have enabled AI systems to analyze complex patterns, make predictions, and perform tasks that were previously thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. Lastly, the increasing availability of data and the proliferation of connected devices have created an environment where AI can thrive. The implications of AI's rise are far-reaching, touching upon virtually every aspect of our lives. In education, AI has the potential to personalize learning experiences, automate administrative tasks, and provide educators with valuable insights into student progress. However, it is crucial to approach the integration of AI in education thoughtfully and responsibly. As with any transformative technology, there are ethical considerations and potential drawbacks that must be carefully addressed. The journey towards harnessing AI's full potential in education is ongoing. It requires collaboration between educators, policymakers, technologists, and society as a whole. By embracing a balanced approach that leverages AI's strengths while mitigating its limitations, we can create an educational landscape that empowers students to thrive in an increasingly AI-driven world. One of AI's most significant contributions to education is its ability to personalize the learning experience. Traditional classrooms often follow a one-size-fits-all approach, which can leave some students struggling to keep up while others are left disengaged. AI-powered learning platforms, on the other hand, can adapt to individual student needs and provide tailored instruction. Imagine a world where every student has access to a virtual tutor available 24/7. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide personalized feedback, answer questions, and adjust the pace of learning based on the student's understanding. This level of individualized attention can be particularly beneficial for students who struggle in traditional classroom settings or require additional support outside of school hours. Moreover, AI can automate repetitive tasks such as grading and administrative duties, freeing up educators to focus on what they do best, teaching and mentoring students. By streamlining these processes, AI can create more time for meaningful interactions between teachers and students. Additionally, AI can analyze student data to identify areas where they may be struggling and provide targeted interventions. This data-driven approach can help educators personalize their teaching strategies and provide timely support to students who need it most. Furthermore, AI has the potential to make learning more engaging and interactive. Gamified learning platforms, virtual reality experiences, and AI-powered simulations can create immersive learning environments that capture students' attention and foster a love for learning. By making education more relevant and enjoyable, AI can help students develop a lifelong passion for knowledge and exploration. While AI holds immense potential for transforming education, it is essential to strike a balance in its application across different educational stages. The level of AI integration that is appropriate for university students may not be suitable for young children in elementary school. In the early years of education, the focus should remain on developing fundamental social and emotional skills through human interaction. Young children thrive in environments where they can engage in imaginative play, learn through hands-on experiences, and build relationships with their peers and teachers. Excessive reliance on AI at this stage could hinder the development of these crucial skills. As students progress to higher education, AI can play a more prominent role in their learning journey. University students are typically more independent learners who can benefit from the personalized learning experiences and advanced research capabilities offered by AI-powered tools. However, even at this stage, it is crucial to maintain a balance between AI-driven learning and human interaction. The role of educators in higher education extends beyond simply delivering information. Professors and lecturers serve as mentors, advisors, and facilitators of critical thinking. They challenge students to think critically, solve complex problems, and develop their unique voices. These are all skills that AI, in its current form, cannot replicate. Despite AI's transformative potential, it is essential to recognize that it cannot replace human educators. Teaching is not merely about imparting knowledge. It is about inspiring, motivating, and nurturing young minds. It is about understanding the individual needs of each student and creating a supportive and stimulating learning environment. Human educators possess qualities that are fundamental to effective teaching, but difficult, if not impossible, to replicate in machines. Empathy, emotional intelligence, and the ability to build meaningful relationships are all crucial aspects of teaching that require human understanding and sensitivity. Moreover, teachers play a vital role in fostering students' social and emotional development. They provide guidance, support, and a sense of community within the classroom. These social interactions are essential for developing empathy, collaboration skills, and a sense of belonging, all of which are crucial for success in life beyond the classroom. While AI can augment and enhance the learning experience, it cannot replace the human connection that is at the heart of effective education. A balanced approach that leverages the strengths of both human educators and AI tools is essential for creating a holistic and enriching learning environment for all students. As we have explored, the future of education lies in a harmonious blend of AI's capabilities and the irreplaceable human touch. While AI can revolutionize the way we learn, it is the human educators who provide the empathy, inspiration, and guidance that technology simply cannot replicate. Together, they create a dynamic, engaging, and supportive learning environment that prepares students for the challenges of the future. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe to Akin's channel and click the bell icon to get notified when there is a new video. Stay healthy and keep safe. Thank you for watching.